I just wanted to make this video. This is the last day y'all gonna see this car on my channel. I'm getting rid of it. I'm not happy with this car. I'm not satisfied with this car. I'm not happy for it. I feel like if you paying for something, you should be happy and satisfied. I'm not happy with this car. Ever since I got this car, ever since I got rid of my 392, I wasn't satisfied, no happy. So, I'm not telling y'all what I got coming next, but just stay tuned. Getting rid of this, unfortunately. Y'all want to buy it, it's going to a car in Kentucky. Keeping my red, baby. It's a keeper, you feel me? But I'm getting rid of this. I'm not, as much as I tried to suck it in, I can't do it no more. This ain't me, bro. This ain't me. No, nothing against the Honda. It's just not me. I already got this one, and this just not me. So, unfortunately, I'm getting rid of it. I'm selling it already with no negative equity. I'm selling it for exactly what I got for it. I don't even got 2,000 miles on this car. I'm not selling it already. So, yeah, but it is what it is, you know. You only live once, so do what you want while you can, because tomorrow ain't promised. So I just want to give y'all the update. No more Honda after this, man. No more Sport. I'm gonna low-key miss it because it's good on gas, but life's short. So fuck it, you know what I'm saying? So but I'm getting rid of this, so it is what it is. I'll catch y'all. I think I'm gonna get this vet. Got me in the country, Kentucky. Country Kentucky, finna get this vet. It's on. Yeah, y'all thought it was a damn game, huh? Traded good, boy. I to the Civic, got the vet. Nice. But yeah, dude, this is my 2013 Chevrolet Corvette Grandsport 60th anniversary. The 60th anniversary was the 60th year that the Corvette was alive. This was in 2013. So yeah, this is like a special edition. They had the 427 and the 06. They even had the base model. 60th anniversary, the 01 Grandsport. But the Grandsport has an LS3 just like the base model, but it just had a 06 appearance on it. So I gotta take this Don Franklin stuff off my car. But yeah, Nicholas Lakes 6, yeah, okay. But yeah, these are my exhausts, the active exhausts like that. See them on there? Y'all heard that in the beginning of the video. 3-inch tips, quad tips. We got the cups, Pilot Sports, Michelin 325. I'm gonna verify for y'all. It's 325. I gotta find it. It's 325. 325. 6-piston Brembos, man. I'm the 4th owner of this car. This car is 33,000 miles, so clean title, wasn't wrecked. 4 owners. I'm the 4th owner. But yeah, man, it's my vet, bro. It's my vet. So now I'm about to go inside to open the door to show y'all the interior of it. As y'all can see, the 60th anniversary got the 10-day lights in there. Yeah, got the vents in the side for cooling to keep the motor clean. Got this in the side too, aerodynamics. When you open the door, the window comes down. This is the seats, the blue 60th anniversary. You know, heating and cooling seats. You know what I'm saying? Blue seat belt, Corvette on the side. Got the blue on the door, you know what I'm saying? 60th anniversary. You know, got the floor mats. 200 on the dash, you know. So yeah, it's pretty small in here, man. You gotta duck down, but that's really about it. Let me show y'all the sticker price of this car. So y'all, I paid $40,000 for this car, right? $40,000. Well, only 33,000 miles on it. That's a steal, bro. What these Mopars going for, y'all should look into other cars. Let's look at the sticker price, y'all. Okay. This is the sticker price right here, y'all. This is sticker price, $73,000. Standard price of the Grandsport. So yeah, look, This Grandsport was worth this much back in the day. It's the MPG. So it gets about the same MPG as my 392, but yep. Here y'all go. 436 horsepower. So, appreciate y'all for watching this video, man. Catch y'all later. I was driving this joint today. I ain't drive this car in so long, bro. I gotta get the AC charged up in the old girl. Vet. Big vet. See that big 60 in there? Is there anything hot, boy? Grandsport. Got the valve and the exhaust 3-inch tips. I ain't doing nothing to the exhaust. The exhaust sound good. I can put that valve over and keep them open, but I don't want to keep them open. Birthday gift. I feel better, man. I remember I got rid of my scat, bro. I was hurt.